Hey guys, welcome to Code Wild, and today we are back again with the question called sort list. It's a medium level question in LeetCode. So, what is the question? So, question is they have given a linked list. It's in unsorted manner. We have to sort the list. That's it. That's the simple question. So, for example, if the list is like 4213, we have to sort it in ascending order. That's the task. Cool. So let's go into presentation. So how we are going to solve this? So there are different many approaches, but in this video, I'm solving this through one of the easiest approach. That is, just a minute. What's the problem? Okay. So I'm going to solve it using one of the easiest approach. That is by taking a vector. So that is by taking data structures like vectors, it's easily implemented. How once if you are like for example, let's take a vector v and we are taking some temp or any node, duplicate node, and we are traversing it till the end and storing all the node values in the v. So in the V, so this node will be in a V now because we are taking all the node value and transferring it to V. So after we send each node to V, so V also will look like this, right? 4213. So we just after that it's very simple. What we have to do, same like what you do with the vector. We just sort it. So if you are sorting it in ascending order, we just use an inbuilt function through which it sorts uh, the vector into ascending order. After sorting this, we just need to push this vector elements again into a new node. That's it. Then return that node. That's a very easiest approach that we are going to see today. So let's solve the problem. So as I said, first let's take something like let's take something like temp for storing that, and we also need something like node. Uh, let's take it as s. Let's take s and store temp. Why we are taking this again? Because we also need some some node to return, right? After transferring the node to a vector, and vector should also be transferred into a node. So this is that node. We are transferring that vector elements into this node. So yeah. So we just use a simple temp and we say let's just create a vector first. Vector int v dot push back temp val temp equal to temp next. Then what we have to do? Then just say we have to sort it p dot end. Then now what we are doing? We are just sending the vector values again back to a node. So we say v dot size I plus plus that is s val equal to v of I and s equal to s equal to s next. That's it, right? So s equal to s next. So now just return what temp Oh, sorry. Temp is this one, right? Not this one. Sorry. I'm really sorry. Just be ahead. So we have got the output. Let's run this. It has worked. So yeah, that is pretty much it from today's video. If you like the content, do like the video and subscribe to our channel. So till then, keep coding. Stay safe. Thank you.